Big up Crosses TV.
No stop. Take off on the mask from the face. Now Crosses. That's how the thing named Crosses Blood Clot TV.
Say you're alive, you never afraid of dead, and then Cookie go do your face, you never afraid of dead. Cause them have to shave down how much in the bone them and them the jawbone and how much in broken. Cookie, you're fragile. Like girl, go one side, girl. Go one side, girl. You always want to in an argument with me, Cookie. I'm here to say, Cookie, you don't want it with me, girl. Cookie, you don't want no argument with me, girl. Cookie, you don't want no argument with me, Cookie. So stop push me, girl. Stop push me. Wanna stop from push me, girl. Wanna stop from push me, come. I wanna go come by here and talk about. Wanna go send home, girl, and wanna go Federal Plaza, child, please. America is not Emiley destination. America is not the only country where Emiley can go or where Emiley can stay. So when you not gonna come by here and talk about they gonna send home Emiley and she this and that, child, please. Like girl, the girls them tired of you. Cookie, go and thank, go pray to God, say you come out of your face surgery. And you notice as I do, as you come out of your face surgery, you come out of the dance. And what you do, you see people argument, you take it up by your head. And that's enough for you end up in a... Cookie, I know you're mindful of me, girl. And I know you see me do the things and you just envy me, girl. It is okay. It is okay, sweetheart. But I'm just army officer to you, say, girl. You don't have to come on the platform and talk. When you see Emiley, you scold Emiley. Because what Emiley do last night was wrong. You understand, mister? All I have to say, when you see Emiley, scold her. Scold this young child, Emiley. Because what Emiley do last night was wrong. And Cookie know it all. No, say Emiley wrong. Simple. And let's talk in. Just scold me down and get over it. You understand me? Like girls, and I don't need for come on life, come discuss it some wrong. When you no see me, you no scold me. Lick out my blood clot, cause Emiley too much. Emiley wrong. Emiley nothing supposed to argue with big man. Lick out Emiley blood clot. Nikki 19, I don't know what I do Cookie last night, but apparently Cookie is a news reporter. And she have to come on live with her dirty family man come and talk. Cause the whole set of the family man them dirty. And them alone must see mindful of girl. Them alone see mindful of girl. But me I tell them to save the energy and wait till them see me. Them for the save the energy. A matter of fact, I know what I'm going to do. I not have much for say upon my life. I not have much for say. Oh no, pick up on yourself and everything. Cookie, Mercy, Phoebe, the whole I know, everything good. Bronx Princess got it. Everything good. Bestie, me I take it easy. You know why me I take it easy? Because me don't know why out. Me don't know what them want with me. Me don't know what them want with me. Is that me keep on I wonder what them want with me. Look how much people go to dance. Look how much people go to dance and why out of the two dirtiest people the two all dirty people and them, out of everybody who go to dance, so them have to pick up the argument for them head. It's Kimarley dance and Ken dance, and I don't see Kimarley and Ken them come on live and talk about it. Why them have to be the one for talk about it? Is that me I try to show the people them always want to be the one for talk about everybody situation and for them business are rotten. You understand me? It's Kimarley them dance, it's Kimarley and Ken dance, and them not talking about it. But Cookie just feel the hurt, say Emiley does too much and Emiley wrong. Cause Cookie always know it all. Cookie broke up job on Cookie fragile. Play both face Cookie. Come in know your favorite one. Your favorite. Hey Cookie. But I don't know who get that face to girl, but I know a girl you want that face and it's a Mario. Cookie, I not have to broke that job on you. I'm blessed. I'm bang with it. Cookie. I not have to go in an anesthesia, Cookie. You understand me? My blessed with a drop, my blessed with a face. So I see why you hurt, girl. But take it easy, girl. Take it easy. You will never get this face. No matter how when you go buy it and the free surge on the things them, girl, you will never have this face. None time. Old age, I catch up on you, girl. Go sit down and drink some water. Drink some water and relax, girl. You always want to enter everybody's arguments. Nobody's not going to live good with them. You know why nobody's not going to live good with them? Because them always go like say, them know it all. And them is that girl, them is nobody, them are zero. So them and nobody not going to live good. Them and nobody will never live good. Because them hate them one another. Them, all them who you stood up and alive, them hate them one another. Christopher should stay. Christopher hate the whole of them and them hate Christopher. She not have no young face to get. She not have no... I don't understand. Like, one argument happen in the party. Like, may I expect Kimarley and Ken to come talk about it? Why them have to come? Why them have to be the one to come? Why the news? Alright, I understand say them want to get down into details, but Cookie, suck your mother. Me not owe no explanation. So when you go come on live and talk, girl, bitch, you're not gonna get out of, or you're not gonna get out of me who start the argument. Suck your mother. Brawling. The whole I know. Go near mouth to no mother. You're not gonna get one who want to forget. Cause you're not gonna get what happened. You're not gonna, it not gonna reach a part the way Emiley go come explain what happened. Your mother explain to who, girl, go. You don't come for life and I come talk about this and talk about that because I don't want to know what really take place. Girl, bye. Bye. And go worry about your face, girl. Go worry about your face. You broke up blood clot both face. Exactly, I don't know why them always at me. I don't know why them always at me. I don't know why them always at me. Like girls, they always worry about the wrong thing. And you will never know what happened last night. Cause guess what? That girl and I will come explain more than you say me wrong. When you see me, you scold me and the argument done. When Phoebe see me, I wear planes what you scold me. A girl, you better scold me, girl. Girl, I don't have nothing more to say. More than true. Girls don't stop beating me on the chest when I'm alive and when I say that you know scold her because she too much. And she always want to argue the elderly. Because a lot of them talking now, I always want to argue the elderly. Yeah. Come on for this. I gotta come explain to none of you. I'm not gonna come explain to none of you. Because I don't understand. I expect Kimarley and Ken to come talk about it after them dance. But you have to come and talk. Because I always look no. You not bother by me. I know you not bother by me. But guess what? You not gonna live for see my face. You not gonna live for see my face, girls. You not gonna live for see my face. You not gonna live for see my face, and no matter how you come talk and say this and say that, girls. You not make no sense. You not zero. Yeah, you not 0. And era, girls. Era. Let's talk in. Let's talk in. And Olivia, Cookie and Macy. Cookie and Macy is like, oh, you have a problem with me? Cookie and Macy, because one of the two old, on the age of a calendar and so bothered. Uno old cookie, you don't know what to do. Missy, you know what to do. You understand me? You don't know what to do. So stop coming live and talk. You don't know what to do. You there a long time. As one that son Americanized more than any other body. You know, Americanized more than every girl. Yeah, on Americanized more than everybody. You know, the guest communities are here. You don't know what. Missy, you know what to do. Cookie, you know what to do. So here we are, let's chatting. Let's talking and do. Do the right thing, girl. None have to come for life, come talk. The girl I'm tired of not talk. Do what you have to do. That's all you need for to do what you have to do. Cause you go like you run the gay community. And girl everything will happen, you for come talk about it. Cause I only say right is right and wrong is wrong. Like when I blood clot Judge Tuesday. A girl owning an obligation for any time argument, anything go wrong, or any argument, when you're supposed to click on the platform and come talk about it. Like, girl, you can't get me for scream. You cannot get me for scream no more on my platform. One time, you could get me for scream, you can't get me for scream now. Cause remember, you know, remember. Macy and Olivia ate them one that. And Macy and Olivia still a scam. Olivia yesterday saw still a scam. Olivia yesterday saw she still a scam. She forgot worry about the feds them are gonna hold she soon. Cause anytime Macy take her stay, Macy gonna lock her up. I remember when Macy they get locked up, Olivia the same board face looking blood clot one when you cook Christopher she thief Macy money. So I know Macy no like she my love cause she have the whole of Macy riches. Yeah, she have and the cooking I make me come talk up the blood clot things them cookies so nobody play with blood clot me board face girl. Don't blood clot play with me and don't go like you can follow me up girl. Don't go like you can come follow me up girl and go hold a space. And go set your face, girl. Cause remember, so when I sleep, when I have sleep, so like dead man in a coffin. When you can't go stand lie down on the face, my love, cause if you don't go stand, even touch the pillow too hard, the face start shake. The things them don't start move. Girl, unhappy girl. When you hold on the left dance, girl, you start to go home happy. When you don't go home happy, so when you get up on the ape and the young girls, them. Yeah, when I get up on the 8 and the young girls them the blood clot and happy and sad. Yeah, on a very sad and I get up on the 8 and the young girls them and I walk on and worry about the wrong set of things them. Cookie go worry about your face so I deteriorate, go worry about your face so inside they are rotten. Cause Cookie on the talk say every girl sick and on sick. At AIDS house you have the whole on the Macy, the whole on have AIDS house. The government take care of uno. Government take care of uno. Government not take care of me. Government not take care of me. Anything I want in a firm. Any girl know me, no send me a girl. Anything I want, my aim I go for it. Anything that girl you want, she go for it. And anything in the world I want, I can reach feet in a blood clock. A little girl have money can do any. And that's why I know why you bad man, Cookie. Cookie, I know why you bad man, Cookie, because you go like a year alone for see Benjamin. And Cookie, you go like a year alone for have money. Because Cookie thinks he can lock up me and get my money and now get my riches. Because I'm smarter than Uno. I'm smarter than Uno in a blood clot. So Cookie, if I feel like I get my riches, then I get my riches like, oh, you get Ringo riches. You never get my riches like, oh, you get Macy riches. And that's why Macy eat, you eat Macy, because you spend Macy money. You take Macy money and buy her all liquor. Macy them a mascot na blood clot. Can a girl can't take my money and pay for do my hero to my own money and buy my liquor and the things you mad na blood clot. Okay. Get thee behind. Get thee behind, can nobody no member on you know wipe off for them up na blood clots. All man you wipe off for them up. Look on the age of you just choose to go turn. I can't God talk to you until it's a forgot turn, woman. Look on the tender age. Look, Cookie was sue 200. Was sue 200. you choose to go do machine transition and Cookie go sit down, girl. Go and sit down. You always worry about the wrong thing, girl. You always worry about the look how much time nowadays you get up on your class your own you see. I say me say I elderly for you. And you look up to her nowadays your class are. So what if me and the old people am go at it? What is the big deal, girl? Girl, no pick the beam out of phone the eye and stop worry about the younger girls them. Cookie me know why you're mad, cause guess why you're going to need the anesthesia for the face. So you want Emily doll face and you never get Emily doll face. I when I have have road in my face and come I have the bump in my face and the road and the things them now. All when I have the things them in my face, Cookie, you know, wishing they have the face like me. You know, wishing they have the face like me. So, Cookie, you gotta need the anesthesia for the face like what Emily have. You don't get it so you're ignorant. And you have to come talk. You have to be the one for come talk about what happened last night. Yeah. Yeah, cause it's bad yo. It's bad yo. Oh, you not get the straight nose no blood clot. Cookie, you're ugly. You favor vendetta no blood clot. Go take off your vendetta mask. Go take out that vendetta mask and I make me take it off for you. Yeah. You try go take out that vendetta mask and don't make me take it off for you because you're too much. Cook your blood clot, God, your class nut. Listen to me. Trump. You saw that person say. You bought my Emily cause all them other girls for your black. Here I cooking and black one. That mad one, yeah. Cookie girl. Child, please. Then alright, so if Cookie them, if alright then, so listen now. 101 I gonna say, child, please. Who know me, says Stinky and call my name. First of all, uno mad. Uno sticking on her head, cause if Emily is sick, Emily would have get help from the government. And if Emily stink, you're mad. I run up and down in the bathroom body works. You're mad, no blood. I run up and down in the bathroom body. Stinky and call my name, crazy. Sick where? Stink where? You mad? I know one name doctor. One thing with me, that local girl here. I know one name doctor and a blood clot. You crazy? You know crazy? You know mad no blood clot. You know sick on the head. Stinky and cop on my name. Cause me know bottom body. And I know doctor. Yeah. The man full of girls. Alright, listen, you can't come off of my life. Cause you're not talking nothing with sense. Me not talking nothing with sense. More than Phoebe know where to see me. Cooking know where to blood clots me. And Macy know where to blood clots me. So them need for just tap go up on live and beat up them chest. Cause guess what? Them say Emily wrong. All if I never said listen to me and listen to me carefully. And don't come and I need to support You not hear me? Hello, not hear me? You guys not hear me? You not hear me? You not hear me? Listen to me. I don't want to hear nothing what you have to say, girl. I don't want to hear nothing what you have to say. Just tell your board face granny for stop blood clot follow me. That's all me I tell you now. And you say me wrong. So when you see me, you just call me. Me no business when a girl want to say. More than any girl no like what I do last night. You see me and defend it no blood clot. That me say. Yeah, and all I want to talk about now got Federal Plaza. You can go on a Federal Plaza because Emily destination in America. I mean I left America going on a blood clot. So anything you want for say girl you can say girl. I don't talk when you have to talk. More than your granny upset oh she gonna need the anesthesia forget the face money where Emily have the bumpy face for Emily have and she never get it so she come on here. She come on here and a child no look no clout off of my blood clot name cause guess what me no member uno. To be frank, I don't remember uno. And listen now, only never there for wait to no reach home. Uno go up on the live. Yeah, do all of uno have a problem. Cause guess what, you know, one have a problem. Cause get up on the live this morning. And you and your family them are talk about it. So of course uno have a problem with me. I'm not mindful of Emily. Uno mindful of me. I miss that girl for uno. Cause I'm now some more than a girl. I hate a girl so much. I'm gonna get up and talk about a girl. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. Nobody know what hear what you have to say. More than you know, girl, you always up on White Plains Road, girl. So anytime you see me, you scold me. Cause you know what I do last night is wrong. So when your granny see me, you scold me and stop the talking, girl. Like, you not do too much waste talking. No. Like, girl, bye. The argument, the something passed some last night, and you have to be the one to get up and talk about it. You have to be the one to talk about it. Like, girl, later, mother just said to you, say, girl, what I do last night, it is wrong enough on the eyesight, simple. When you say Emily, you lick her. School Emily. School blood clad Emily, when you see her. School Emily. I'm live by, cause live, you know mindful of girl, live remember una girl will call girl phone. And they pan, Emily, you're so gorgeous. Live una always attack good boy girls. So when you come and cuss girl, no, I just laugh off on live, cause guess what, una papa show, I be laugh off on una call and talk to girl. Cause una ever one thing with una ever they beg out war live. I wanna always start like who is this girl and who is that. Live you all unblock me for come for my life. For sure the son of mindful of me. Live your mindful of me so bad live. Cause you block me what they unblock me cause you want for come for my life. Live me don't even follow your lives for sure yo. Me don't follow you. You understand me? Listen, live. When you so battered by the Bronx Queen, and you just can't stomach for see her live. Listen, you can live. You see when you can't take away me, see riches them live when you can't lock up me and take away my riches. Cause I'm smarter than Uno. You understand me live? And the whole of we I got a present. The whole of we I get locked up, girl. So I always see me live. It's just like, oh, you hurt about the situation. So like, oh, you hurt about the situation and worse, you never get the face where you want Olivia all the symphony for do. When you see Emily, you scold her. Because what Emily did last night is wrong. Simple. Simple, that's all I need for do, scold me. Because I don't always want to be the one for talk. I don't always want to have the last say. Like, who is Uno? I don't want no explanation, live. None of Uno. None of Uno, I don't want no explanation, live. None of Uno. None of Uno. Uno can't program me, uno program no family. No girl can't program me. I'm gonna look up to no girl. No girl at all. I'm gonna look up to. So when you not gonna come and talk about the story and things, say Emily I gonna come and say on, okay, Mama explain to know what my last night. No, not get that out of me. Bye. Livy should have just talk about it last night, girl. I'm gonna get it technical in the club. All that you should have been do. Last night when you talk, you should have waited till you reach home. We should just wait till you should have just when the fight at me, you should just take the mic same time and talk and say them look a young girl are too much. And they will get it technical in there. Yes. Simple. Since you heard about the situation, I don't want friendship so bad. Since you heard about the situation and you heard so bad, where should the girl take the mic? Cause you're not worried. You're not worried about girls. So they should just take the mic last night and nip on. Now look at girl, you're too much no blood clot. Everybody show every old people show argue because of the old people are no problem. Cause always someone argue the old people and you understand me? We don't want friendship so bad. We don't want the woman friendship so bad. So no come on live and I talk about it so bad because I'm sad and lonely and unhappy no blood clot. I mean I know how no pretty and I don't have a man in on the bed. You know so no pretty and I don't have a man on the bed because if you have a man in your bed you would worry about what Bronx Princess want do. You don't have a man beside you fuck out your all and the things them girl, but you know so bad that bad girl and you can't fuck me. You understand me? Yeah, girl, you need a man, girl. Olivia, you need a man. Fight go on Friday. Why them never come talk about it? Exactly. I don't know why them never come talk about it, auntie. I don't know why them don't come talk about it, but Olivia must. I don't know what Olivia feel like, so she can follow me. Olivia should have been take the mic. Olivia, you should have been take the mic from last night and the dance. I'm show no woman they pan. But I show no woman that show you and Phoebe woman they pan. Cause Phoebe all you talking a girl who don't know wanna swing over on the head. So I wanna not go come by and talk about it. It's not that serious and this and that girl. As I say girl, wanna say what I do was wrong last night. So I need put the simple need for the one to say Emily no school and the argument done. Here right now you want all your friendship. Leave man alone, remember it's a man take away. You're a man take away my man. You're a she boring. Oh she boring so. You're boring body. You're boring body. Some of my ask that question. Me and the people them need something. I want to ask them, what we get it technical? Which man can take on my man? Or first of all, did I have a man? You don't know my man? So come explain to me who take on my man. Who take on my man? Who take on my man? You are one thing with you. You always want to help on girl platform. You have to stay in the comment section and talk. Like, who am I man? Which girl take on my man? Explain to me who take on my man. Phoebe, you never have a man yet for a girl for take away your man. Cause no man now fuck you all when you're pretty 100 times. No man now fuck you, no man now lie down with you. Iron man, no man now lie down with blood clot you. No man now lie down with you. So I don't understand which girl could I take on my man. Or, I don't know what you're trying to say cause my man no batty man. So Girl, no so weird thing. Girl, no so weird thing. So I don't know something about Emily. They don't know nothing about me. Iron Man, listen to Iron Man. It's not your time, no Iron Man, and you just not cannot come. You just can't come from that platform. You just have to click your live. Them press bad, auntie. Them press bad. Come and know who take on my man. I don't want to know who take on my man. Or who am I in a something for your girl take on my man. Phoebe, I don't understand. Explain to me, cause you get down the details. I want to understand who was my boyfriend and who took away my man. The last time I checked. Girl, who to come, man? Eh? Who to come, man? Talk who to come, man, girl. Girl, no lame, girl. You're so mindful of me. See, you come out, take one, man, no. Right now, it's not, nobody not talk about no, man. You see, so, no mindful of girls. You study about me, you keep in track about Emily. Because you always want to know, Phoebe, what do you me hear, yo? What do you me hear, one girl? You call one girl? And I ask about me, Phoebe. Phoebe, I know you want for inner things with Phoebe, but guess what, Phoebe? Phoebe, girl, just ease off from me, now, girl. Girl, that's all me I tell you, girl. Just ease off. You understand me? I don't want a friend, girl, period. I don't want a friend from you and your dirty family, then, please. So stop pressed about girls. Stop pressed about girls. Stop worried about me. Stop worried about what going on in my life. Because Phoebe, in a real life, every boy you hear Emily talk to you, always want to things with them, Phoebe. Phoebe, you know so we're dirty, I would this, I would that, Phoebe, but every man, the better about the girl them have, you want them in your hole. You want them in your hole, all the sickness and all the disease they hear the girl them have, you still want them in your hole. Phoebe, I wanna do it, girl. I wanna do it. Them never have a man yet, no man now tell them love you and them are soon 100. Me don't talk to you, auntie. No man now tell them love you. You crazy? The girl now tell them love you, and that's the hurt. She hurt because guess what? She never have a man. She never in a relationship. Forget that that's up there. She never in another relationship. She never another boss there for say yeah. One girl I take her man. I want the Phoebe no girl can take her my man. Yeah. Any girl have none of my ex them or what's left them have. Or what's left them have. Cause one thing anybody were there with Emily always shine. Or one thing I know, say any girl I got have none of my ex them I got have what's left. Period. And anybody know Emily know what's true and a facts. Exactly. Every day I made them best topic. Every day I made them best topic. Alright, listen now people. Be frank. She said it is not a problem. Alright, since this is not a problem now, what Emily do, you don't have a problem with Emily. Why you have to wait to reach home, you have to start a live and talk about what happened last night? Like, you going on the live and talk about it is going to solve anything? Olivia, girl, Olivia, since you heard about it, Olivia, you know what you should do, Olivia? I'm going to tell you where she should have been take the mic from last night and take the mic. Yeah, you should have been taking like last night and said that little girl I want named Emily, she too much, she want to worry with every big woman. And Olivia, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Olivia, I'm going to show you how we get down in our business, Olivia. Yeah, I'm going to straighten your face for you, Olivia. Phoebe, you're not delusional. No man not call you Phoebe. Phoebe, no man not call you Phoebe. Phoebe, you're delusional, no blood clam. I don't know how you're delusional, so Phoebe, you never... Phoebe, posted one boy. Phoebe posted one boy, I suck out him. Phoebe, I have boy for days. I have boy for days, and I can't post it. Them I suck out my tongue. Phoebe post one boy, I suck out your tongue and win. I pay you 5 bills now. I'm going to my handbag now and take out 500 and pay you. If you post one video, one boy I suck out your tongue. One boy I lie down, not even one boy I lie down in your bed, cause all the time when a friend come look for you, and look a foot park and one girl feel like say a man come lie down with. No man not lie down with no Phoebe. Delusional bad, no man not call you girl. Phoebe in a real life, no man not call you. No man not, Phoebe I have boys for days. Boys for days, girl. I can't post more than 10 boys I suck up my tongue. No. No, and all of them, sure that believe in a Bronx princess. You and Olivia can't post no man. Olivia, must say, you shouldn't wait till you reach home. You talk about the argument, Olivia. You should have been take the mic from me in the dance, girl, and talk about it.